Hey guys, what's happening? Explore the privacy features in new social media apps. All right. So, first, the data encryption. Ensure your messages and data protected from unauthorized access. Right. Control who sees your content and personal info. You can find it on your profile at the bottom right. Click the three bars at the top right and try to pin down the content control or content preferences, right? And you can see right here sensitive content and all that stuff. And also you can see if you click the three bars again, right, and go to account privacy, you can seal your account in order to control who can see your content and personal infos. All right, the temporary content. Stories and disappearing messages for limited time sharing could be helpful to secure your data. Next, end-to-end encryption keeps your chat private even from the platform itself, which Meta actually supports. Anonymous browsing. You can use the app without linking your true identity, or you can go to your App Store, Google Play, and leverage the VPN in order to change your IP, right? Privacy matters more than ever. Always check and customize your settings. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the